I think our bot is ready to go live. So let's connect it to our Facebook page. You need to go to the Configure tab and then allow Chatfuel to manage your Facebook pages. This will result in a pop-up by Facebook. You just need to click OK. And the dashboard will then show all the pages you have on Facebook. And I already created a Chatfuel Rockets page, so let's just press connect to page and we're live. You can now message your page and try out your bot, send it to your friends and have some fun.
Okay. It looks like we've got a message from our Facebook page. Let's check it out. Here we go, Chatfuel Rockets. It seems to be online. Yes, please. Great. Our bot is up and running on our Facebook page and everyone can find it now. To choose one of the entries we added earlier, the main menu, we'll link to the main menu. You can also share feedback. Yes, pretty please. Hi. Oh, sure, my email, luca@chatfuel.com. Great, everything seems to be working. Let's check if NFL tweeted meanwhile. Oh, here we go, they tweeted a few times. We can also view it directly on Twitter if we want. Awesome,